In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box on Google Docs. Whether you're working on a project, creating a presentation, or just wanting to add some flair to your document, knowing how to insert a text box can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through this process step by step so you'll easily be able to do it yourself. Begin by opening your Google Doc and navigating to the spot where you want your text box to appear. It's important to put your cursor in the right location, as this will determine the starting point for your text box. Once you have that spot in mind, focus your attention on the menu at the top of your screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Insert. Click on this menu, and it will drop down a list of options for you to explore. Within this list, direct your cursor over the option that says Drawing. Don't click just yet. Hover over it for a moment, and a secondary menu will appear. From this new set of choices, go ahead and click on Plus New. This action will open up a drawing window, which is essentially a blank canvas where you'll create your text box. Inside the drawing window, you'll notice several icons at the top. Look for the text box icon, which resembles a square with the letter T inside it. This is your next stop. Clicking on this icon will activate the text box tool, allowing you to draw a text box directly on the canvas. To shape your text box, click and drag your mouse across the canvas. You can control the dimensions of your text box by the way you drag your mouse, so adjust the size as necessary to fit your text or design needs. Once you've drawn your text box, it's time to fill it with your content. Simply click inside the box and begin typing your text. Should you want to add some style, you can use the formatting options in the toolbar at the top of this window. Here, you can change the font, size, color, and other text attributes, allowing you to make your text stand out or adhere to specific design requirements. After your text is formatted to your satisfaction, look towards the bottom right corner of the drawing window for the blue button labeled Save and Close. Clicking this will insert your newly created text box into the Google Doc, precisely where you initially placed your cursor. This simple but powerful tool can greatly enhance your documents, offering an added layer of customization and professionalism.